Have you ever wondered how innovation and value can revolutionize a business? Let me share with you a journey that begins in the bustling world of baseball card trading. Initially, the strategy was simple: reduce prices to make the business more competitive. But as time passed, it became clear that this approach was not enough. So, what was the game changer? It was the realization that the focus needed to shift from just being competitive to creating something unique, something valuable. The baseball cards needed to be more than just cards. They needed to become keepsakes, treasures that customers would value. And so, the journey of innovation began. Every card was seen as an opportunity to experiment, to innovate. The design, the packaging, the story behind every card, everything became a canvas for creativity. And with every innovative step, the cards became more than just merchandise. They became a symbol of the passion and dedication that went into creating them. But how did this innovation translate into value? Well, value is a perception that customers have about the worth of a product or service. And this perception is shaped by the unique benefits that the product or service provides. By creating unique and valuable cards, the perception of value increased. Customers were willing to pay more for these cards, not because they were expensive, but because they saw the value in them. This journey in the baseball card business is not just a story of success. It's a testament to the power of innovation and value. It shows how these two elements can transform a business, how they can take a simple product, like a baseball card, and turn it into a treasured keepsake. Innovation and value are not just about staying competitive. They are about reshaping the face of a business. They are about creating products and services that customers love, that they see value in. And when customers see this value, they are willing to pay more, not because they have to, but because they want to. And that, my friends, is the power of innovation and value. Creating content, is it really as easy as it seems? The truth is, content creation is a complex, multifaceted process, and it comes with its fair share of challenges. I discovered this firsthand while developing my baseball card business. To make our offering stand out amongst the crowd, we knew we had to bring something unique to the table. And that meant taking risks, trying new things, and constantly innovating. We delved into the unknown, experimenting with different designs, materials, and themes for our cards. There were times when our ideas didn't pan out, and we had to go back to the drawing board. But every failure was a lesson learned, a stepping stone towards success. Eventually, our efforts started to bear fruit. Our unique, valuable baseball cards began to gain traction, attracting a loyal customer base. This success wasn't just due to our innovative products, but also our strategic use of platforms for marketing. In the digital age, a platform isn't just a place to sell your products. It's a powerful marketing engine that can drive your business forward. We leveraged our platform to showcase our unique cards, share our brand story, and engage with our customers. But to do this effectively, we needed data. Analytics and data are the lifeblood of any digital business. They provide valuable insights into customer behavior, preferences, and trends. We use these insights to refine our content, tailoring it to our audience's needs and interests. This data-driven approach allowed us to evolve with our customers, ensuring our content stayed relevant and engaging. But this journey wasn't without its challenges. Creating content that resonates with your audience requires a deep understanding of who they are and what they want. It requires time, effort, and a fair bit of trial and error. But the rewards, increased visibility, customer engagement, and ultimately business growth, make it all worthwhile. So, is content creation easy? No, far from it. But it's an exciting, rewarding journey that can take your business to new heights. Content creation is a journey, one that is fraught with challenges, but ultimately rewarding. How can industry changes be a stepping stone rather than a stumbling block? In the vibrant world of content creation, we have witnessed some seismic shifts. Giants of the past, such as Yahoo and AOL, have declined, making way for fresh platforms like TikTok. But rather than seeing these changes as hurdles, we should view them as opportunities for growth and innovation. Remember, every new platform brings with it a new audience and a fresh perspective. The rise of TikTok, for instance, has opened doors to a younger, more dynamic audience. So, there is an opportunity to inject new life into your content and reach out to these vibrant communities. The key to thriving amidst these changes is to stay adaptable and open to new ideas. One such idea is focusing on user-generated content. It's a powerful tool, that not only engages your audience, but also makes them a part of your content creation journey. It's a win-win situation. You get unique, authentic content, and your audience feels a stronger connection to your brand. Another strategy to consider is targeting customers through cohorts. This allows you to group your audience based on shared characteristics, making your marketing efforts more efficient and effective. It helps you understand your audience better and tailor your content to meet their specific needs and interests. So, as the industry landscape shifts and evolves, remember to stay flexible and innovative. Embrace new platforms, engage with your audience in novel ways, and always strive to provide value. In the face of change, adaptability is your strongest asset. How can social media and efficient content creation amplify your business? Let's dive in. In our modern digital world, the power of social media cannot be underestimated. It's an arena that allows you to connect directly with your target audience, building relationships that can turn casual viewers into loyal customers. But to make the most of this platform, you need to create content that resonates. Content that speaks to your audience's needs, their questions, their problems. Just as a lighthouse guides ships through the dark, your content should serve as a beacon for your audience, providing answers and solutions. But creating such content is not a one-and-done deal. It's about building a library of valuable insights, a reservoir of knowledge that your audience can tap into at any time. And with the help of software tools, you can take this content and efficiently distribute it across various platforms, increasing your visibility. These tools can help you clip, edit, and distribute your content, ensuring it reaches the far corners of the social media landscape. However, remember this: efficiency in content creation does not mean compromising on quality. It's about finding the right balance between producing content consistently and ensuring that each piece offers value. And this is where the magic happens. When you can create content that not only resonates with your audience, but also solves a problem or answers a question, you unlock a level of engagement that traditional advertising methods can't touch. In the digital age, social media and efficient content creation are the keys to unlocking your business's potential.